anything new under the sun under John Dramani Mahama. Ghana for be MPP. And they will graciously come back and
vote for the MPP.
2028. You will see.
I see. Who say Dumsor?
Now John Mahama di moko show many kakra, which is inevitable. He's going to definitely do that.
But there will
be Dumsor coming soon.
There will be Dumsor coming soon.
Dumsor, I know. I mean, the energy sector, I know there will be Dumsor coming soon. Expect it. Dumsor will be coming soon. There will be a lot of economic hardship, serious economic hardship.
Ghana ya buy okotu ye na Ghana for na se dwene hu se NPP aban na so no emwa yen enu nti won koto aba no esesem mu ma NDC aban no na edi aba no mu enkunim na NDC edi mu enkunim na John Dramani Mahama ye president elect abade ensem bia beto bonte na wo kire mu se bebi a Ghana no adunu e wo se osan reset oman no nti no oba be reset Ghana na ye wo ama Ghana no aye Ghana ye nyina ye pese ye tinem ama ye ni age na semi beto montin so na aboa papon ya wo ye deputy communication director edima NPP Owusu Bempah asem na making ono na ababontin abeyi John Dramani Mahama ano na wo kire ne se NPP for no 2028 ebesan ato aba no omo ba with full vim omo san aba beji akonwa no asan atena so fi say ne ye ma omo di enkunu no omo hu na omo correct omo mistakes no enu nto metimi asan aba beji akonwa no e de free NDC for ensem enye no kwa no kan wo kire say NDC for ya aba power omo ni bibia bibi papa bia ni ho a omo wo edema oman Ghana say excuse sa na omo de eba besum Ghana for men say wo mre no ye bekwa kotie semi Owusu Bempah e kan nsem no esifa ye make I will say Prophet Dr. Bednego contact enegu ase ho no ansa na enko video ni ba no afa contact no afre no na wone no atwetwe nkomo afa spiritual problem bia wonam ho no betimi abo afei subscribe my page e too much gh e ya kai na fa da one kan ho sa no apopia ba onsa ebetimi aka ebusua ma yenko ni enko
Ghana for ato abetie of course what you to say a mwankasa MPP mo doing
yes
and am lusu yes. But Ghana for omenu omo so omo de Mahama say power
of course and yes and you be him say changing a beer bottle and putting wine in it, it's the same old bottle. Nothing is going to change. There's nothing going to come from John Mahama.
Nothing is going to come from John Mahama.
Nothing.
Or run it with 60 minutes at least. It's something new.
Asema make a John bro.
Say or the 60 minutes it's something new.
The MPP. Yeah, Juma ye. Near go back to your own base. Near go reorganize your own base. Near put 2 square pegs in square holes, round pegs in round holes. Near back as a unified force. Now you energize the grassroots, Ashanti region in particular. Now man for akuma told me. Now John Mahama di moko show many kakra, which is inevitable. He's going to definitely do that.
But there will
be Dumsor coming soon.
There will be Dumsor coming soon.
Dumsor, I know. I mean the energy sector, I know there will be Dumsor coming soon. Expect it. Dumsor will be coming soon. There will be a lot of economic hardship, serious economic hardship coming soon. And I'm being a prophet, I'm prophesying. Till you, I'm prophesying. And there will be a lot of educational system. Probably they will have money in the 4 years to pay for VSHS. And they want to what they say, take what they want to test the lines of
the set up on your president election. And
diplomacy, the country's international politics play the role in how leadership lead the country. Many of these great leaders are anti-women, they make. And yes, I know Mudin Comoze, hi, Mr. President, me no trust him, or Kenyans, or some children, my TV. To mean how leadership operates. What I say, that's what I'm telling you. Say, there's not going to be anything new under the sun under John Dramani Mahama. Ghana for be MPP. And they will graciously come back. And
vote for the MPP.
2028, you will see.
I see. Who say Dumsor will soon become the energy sector?
Yes.
A man for some, but they must solve no as a man shut down solving it. Until now, you are confident in doing so about because one solve a problem.
Bigger interventions, baby, or my nano by me catch it.
Yeah. So what makes you think the
sufficient gas production?
It's the other job of the end for the Dumsor. If you have done the work,
there are a lot. There are a lot of independent power producers.
Right.
Sika baby or no ma.
I'll say to you.
Nyansa kwan betua. Otiase omo ba omo no omo nyisika bi emu odubia no betua. Otiase because the have their own, they have their own interest as well. And they end up projects be did sa Accra Kumasi road no dual carriage realization. Any other projects be majority of them to 2 years It has happened before. After we hospitalized here, they left it there. Omo be look into it to investigate say obi here corruption. You know my concept is just to see how they are going to get people behind bars to prove to Ghanaians say obi a USK. Ghana for interest, you know, the omo sheda and omo concentrate on it too. What is the policy plan? What is the Nkokon Ketinketi project that he's talking about? How is he going to disperse? He's supposed to be telling us 24 hours project, you know, all can say or be created. Or say it's all can about was set up a committee.
Of course.
I know I say watch say 24-hour economy. How we are going to roll it out? Is it going to be private sector driven? How is it going to be done? On tray. Yes, you will be kapao. Yeah now. Yeah now. Me also Bempah dia me bedao. He only appreciated only 100,000 votes.
Not over 100,000.
Yes.
Right.
I don't have the figures here, but you saw it. That Dr. Bawumia's vote diminished.
Yeah.
2.1 million Ghanaians and to Obama MPP. MPP core voters.
How do you know some MPP core voters? Now how do you know that? I mean, some can be floating voters.
Listen. Let's use voter turnout in Ashanti region was 63%.
Right.
That is a heartbeat of the MPP. If voter turnout was the last time was about 73%. Net Tiba 63%. I work out the difference and multiply by the number of people Oman Kotwaba. Your core voters, or key areas. It means something fundamentally went wrong internally. And that is where the problem is. John Mahama didn't win an election. We gave it to him on a silver platter.
I see.
Because party people, apathy, caused us these elections.
Is that internal problems that will come? DNA internal problems.
Yes, obviously people were square pegs were put in round holes.
Square pegs were put in round holes.
Yes.
In the NPP, in government.
In the whole machinery, they call a campaign.
How?
A lot of people.
How?
Yes, because there are a lot that I can't mention. But
just the top
diagnosis. A lot of.
Just square pegs in round holes.
We were thinking, elections are called. Me being a political animal, I don't know who say from opposition. We work hand in hand with Nana Akufo-Addo to win power, and then 2020, in 2016, we helped to win power. What you say? Consistent agitation and strategic planning. I did two. We need power. Number two, over 2020, even though there was a lot of apathy in the system after COVID-19 and all that, but you saw that we were able to pull through with 51.something%.
Right.
It means that when we are going forward, you know, a lot of things were not done right. Who politics more? Young for no MPP for no say that is about you're building rules, you're building bridges, and winning elections. But you have to set an agenda. Alistair Campbell brought Labour Party to government by using a strategic plan to get Tony Blair to power.
Yeah.
Even when you go to the books, all political leaders Omaba into power, Donald Trump, he used a strategy.
You didn't have a strategy before?
No, I'm just giving you an example. I'm not saying we didn't have a strategy.
Okay, there's a question I'm asking.
I'm telling you, square pegs were put in round holes, and I will say it any day, any moment. Even a call to order, I will say it. You understand? And that resulted in our defeat a lot, because most of the things are near, and a lot of people were just rabble-rousing around, doing nothing, but they were expecting results.
I see.
What you say, and I have to say it, and it's a fact. And you know, you share here holistically. You share say elections, you call elections, and you say you planning. Actually, 2 weeks before election, now what me sorry, cause say Ashanti region, there's an apathy there. We need to look at it. Ufro because say friend catch and say this is what we supposed to offer any pardon for the phone. How do you yes, yeah, Ufro be but so may not find the phone that
within MPP.
Yes. And I'm supposed to be the deputy communication director of the party.
When I'm afraid, I mean, so the reason you
know themselves.
Of course,
me say, you're working from opposition. with a coalition from other groups of young men within the party to work to bring Akufo-Addo to power.
True.
Until Akufo-Addo only mu bi mu agro because only the
Juma mu ye
me Owusu Bempah te di metimi ayem. Ehu. What you say? As somebody who has worked with the former president of the Republic of Ghana, somebody who has run a country for 19 years.
Yeah.
Former first lady who has been a first lady in am I a novice in politics? Somebody who has worked under political leaders. Obi ti say Akufo-Addo, I've worked closely with him for so many years. Enti meto no, ufu se minim bibi. Na ye ko election na se wo no ufu se wo behwe no trasa na ye kan sembi kra na you don't want to take it, you want to just take it like that. How do you me ba Ashanti region be catch penifo bi say there's an apathy in Ashanti region. We need to go because me bobo bantuma.
Yeah.
What do you say? Me bobo Ashtown, me call round me nenam grounds uba me kumasi me fat taxi na me team. Me nim what the grassroots are saying. Me think people know me. Uba grassroots say how popular I am around the area.
Oh yeah.
And they come to me, they tell me things. And me bana me catch you say, yan to aba, Mr. Bempah, yan to aba, yan to. Now me be catch you, me flow crack catch you say, this is what is happening. That's 151. How are you supposed to get the results that you want?
So you caused your own defeat.
Me see, yeah. Now party ne no 2.1 million. Akufo-Addo won 2020 elections without 6.7 million. Now tiaba 4.1 million. That 2.1 as I say no woman.
Do you feel someone sidelined in this campaign?
I won't say so, but I was crippled not to work. Because me Owusu Bempah me dey make me a year a between domama party at me winning power ya mama anye.
Jamo one
yes. I was working on my own too.
Yeah, because we say na we you know maybe TV so who show the things Ghana for Kai
I did it on my own.
You did it on your own?
I did it on my own. Yes.
It's a busia and some no and I'm the Bible some way any and someone about her come. This also over in Chibi, and some no what comment section where we in the when you subscribe button so too much GH now the bell no aka home sano upload the biaba on sa a bit aka all the social media handles so call too much GH yakai so be like oh no wa share ama fofo so enye bia hwe macra